Sometimes you take amperage and if the amperage is too high, you gotta replace the motor. You gotta replace the motor. What was all that about? Okay, so we're opening up the cover and oh man, it's all dirty in there. Somebody got some black tape protecting all that exposed wire. Crazy. We gonna take this. We're gonna take that off real quick. That's the neutral wire I think I'm pulling out. Definitely gonna need the needle nose. Can't do that with your fingers. Nice little pass. There's no power there. The motor would be on if it was power. We're changing it because it had high amperage. Normally means it's starting to go. I gotta take that out real quick. Wow, got it out. Hot and neutral. Exposed wire. It's crazy. Okay, so the motor got like a little band on it. Take that off. That's connected to the control, the relay. 1900 box right there. Gotta remove that to remove the motor. Okay, now I'm ready to remove the motor. Gotta size up the right socket. I believe 1/2 inch. Yep, there it goes, the 1/2 inch one. Throw it on the drill. Let's drill it. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3 there. Oh, that one might be difficult. So we're gonna pull out the open end ratchet. And we ratchet it right out. Okay, pull it. Now we got that motor out. Okay, and that's it. We're not done. Take that coupling, that's the heavy duty coupling. Okay, put the heavy duty coupling back in place. I'm placing it on the oil pump side. That's where the oil pump is at. Oil pump, catch it. Bam, got it. Okay, so now we gotta take this.
Extension, stator,
Whatever. So we gotta take this wheel cage off. The squirrel cage, some people might call it. But we gotta take this off no matter what it's called. Everything's being held by set screws. We gotta use the Allen key to get that set screw out. We have holes on the side that we can probably use. There you go. Okay, so now we got it going. Gotta use that because it has a lot of tension to it. Alright, let's hold it steady next time. Alright, spin it, loosen it up, there it goes. I like to take it all the way out, place it somewhere where I know I won't lose it. Some people like to leave it in, it's cool. That's the extension right there.
The extension
Okay.
that they use because the motor stator is too short.
Oh, stator's the right word. Stator. Keep saying it like I know what I'm talking about. Pop that set screw up. There you go. You heard that pop? Sounds good. Excuse me. That's not gonna come out like that, man. You know what you gotta do. Dun da da da. Yep. The pulley puller. The pulley puller. Okay. Opening the screws up because we gotta put that pulley puller on top of the fan. Gotta tighten those. That's a 916, I think. Yeah, give it back out. Gotta give it some more and back out. You got back out. Tightening up real quick. Get that open end on it. Gotta get that side tightened. That's the only way it's gonna work really well is if those bolts are tight. I thought I had the socket for the top, but I don't. Gotta do it all good old-fashioned way with the adjustable. And we can do it nice and easy anyway. You hear the clicks? It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. And it's out of there. There we go. Okay. So now we can remove that pulley puller off the fan blade because we got to put that on the new motor. 916, don't forget. Now we got to take that plate off the motor so we can put that plate onto the new motor. One, two, three. That's the old motor. Don't forget the lock key. Yep. Okay, now it's Justin. He's up. He's cleaning off that plate that we mentioned earlier. Got some color to it. Yeah, the color is gray. Alright, he's placing it onto the new motor. Placing the 4 bolts that we took off. You gotta place them carefully. Zip it up. Crisscross. Zip it up. Alright, so now we're putting on that cage onto the new motor. Let it hit all the way to the bottom. You gotta get that key right. I prefer to use the old key rather than the new key because the old key is already shaped up a little bit with the fan blade, and I put the old key in my bag. You feel me? But we let that thing drop to the bottom, tighten it, loosen it a little bit, push it up a little bit, and then you tighten it. That's exactly what I said. Make sure you got a good spin on it, that it's not hitting nothing on the bottom. Try to get as close as you can to the bottom without hitting, because you know you ain't gonna hit nothing in front of you. Take it to town, tighten it up. Yep. There were 3 set screws on that motor. 2 for that lock key, and the 3rd one for that extension. You gotta make sure all of them are tight. Try not to lose those. It's over. Who knows if you can find another one somewhere else. I should order those. Alright, put that in play. That's the way it goes. We was playing earlier. Get in there, check it out, take a look. Oh, it's tight. There you go. Alright, that's the coupling. Even that has a set screw. You gotta tighten that up as well. Yeah, it's blocking right now, so that's why it's not going down. Gotta open it up and throw it down. Flat part got to be on the set screw. There you go. Tighten it up. Can't go through the fan blades. Don't want to risk bending any of them. You gotta make sure you tighten it up. Gucci. You gotta catch the coupling.
What? You should definitely do it while it's mounting, but it's whatever makes it easier for you. Salud.
You pretty much gotta catch the coupling now. I would get the coupling on the lip. Get the end of the coupling on the lip and spin until it gets right in. Like a glove. Nice. There you go, got some light on there.
Spin. Back up. As long as you touching the lip, back up.
You gotta spin it in. Yep. It's not easy, but it is. Just gotta have that right finesse.
Get in there, you know what I mean?
He was getting frustrated, but in the end, he got it. Yeah, he got it. Tighten everything up. And then you wire it up. You gotta take it off the old one. Can't forget it. And put that on the new one with the wires. Tape it up a little bit. Slide them in. Connect them. And we on and popping. And that's it for the blower.